Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
秒
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
秒，摸一袄，秒秒，一秒，一秒，一秒钟过得很快，一秒钟过得很快，秒表秒表，这是一块计时用的秒表。这是一块计时用的秒表。几秒，几秒，它只用几秒就做完了。它只用几秒就做完了。
Next, let's look at how to write this character. This character is slender overall. Do not write it too wide. The left part of this character means crops and grains. The original meaning of this character refers to the tiny awns on grain ears, which are extremely small. Therefore, ancient Chinese people used this word to describe tiny, short, and subtle things. Later, it was extended to the smallest unit of time, representing a brief moment. This stroke is the key to writing this character well. Okay, that's all I have to say for today. Goodbye.